Hi, my name is Kat. I am the Community Outreach Dietitian at Lee Health Coconut Point, and today we're going to be making an Arugula Apple Salad that is perfect for the holidays. So here I have about 5 to 7 ounces of arugula. We're going to go ahead and chop up a red apple and a green apple. So we have something sweet and something sour. We're going to slice as thin as we can. We're going to use about a half to a quarter of the apple. So now we have our green apple, our red apple, and we're going to go ahead and put about a quarter of an onion. Again, we're going to thinly slice this. Raw red onion is great in salads. These are dried cranberries and dried cherries. So we're going to go ahead and put that on. And while our pecans are finishing up in the oven, we can go ahead and make the salad dressing. We're going to go ahead and pour it on. And then once the pecans are ready, we can finish off the salad with the pecans.